Question 16. Find partial pressure of dry air at sea level with temperature of 70 degrees Fahrenheit and relative humidity of 50%. In order to solve this question, there's two ways to do it. You can go to properties of water table, and under 70 degrees Fahrenheit, you're going to find that vapor pressure equals to 0.36 psia, absolute. Second way to do it, you go to steam tables. For saturated steam for 70 degrees, you're going to find that pressure equals to 0.36 psia. Now, once you get these values, you have to remember that pressure total equals to pressure of dry air plus pressure of water vapor. This is W. So in these problems, what we found was actually PW. So this is water pressure, water vapor pressure at 70 degrees. Pressure total at sea level is 14.7 psia. So adding all this up, pressure of dry air will be 14.34 psia. And this is our final answer.